Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video I am going to explain about why used capacitor in the ceiling fan. In the basic subject of electrical engineering, today I will be discuss about capacitor in the ceiling fan. All are discussed in this video. Ceiling fan is a single phase induction motor. Single phase motor are not self-starting. Why single phase motor are not self-starting? All are discussed in this video. A ceiling fan, two part. This is rotor and this is stator. Rotor and two winding there is. The outer side winding is known as running winding also known as main winding, and inner side winding are known as starting winding also known as auxiliary winding. This is diagram: running winding and starting winding with a capacitor connected. What is capacitor? Capacitor is a two-terminal electrical device to store electrical charge. Capacitor you connected in the starting winding and running winding due to phase difference. Phase difference in the ceiling fan. When AC supply in the ceiling fan, due to phase difference, that time rotating magnetic field in the rotor and stator, and also created torque. So when will be created torque, that time fan is motion. So we can say about in the ceiling fan, main reason is phase difference. So phase difference due to connected in a capacitor. I hope that all of getting some about a ceiling fan used capacitor. Thanks for all of.